Can you guess what we're drawing today? Hello friends, it's Kiki, and today, we're making something orange. Let's go. First, let's draw a big, round circle. Now for a tiny stem on top. And look, a beautiful green leaf. It's starting to look real. Time for the magic body. Two big Mickey eyes. And a happy, shocked mouth. Hee hee, so surprised. Make it more visible. Color time. Bright, sunny, orange. Fast, fast, fast. And don't forget the shiny highlight. Yay, look at your surprised orange. Show it to mommy and ask her, why is he so surprised? See you at the next video.